In this video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts to Klaviyo. In order to do that, you first need to head over to klaviyo.com, and then from there you should be able to see this. You can just input right here your email address in order to sign up, or you can also click onto this login option that we can see right here in order to log in to the account that you already have. So since I already have an account, let me head over and click onto this login option right there. Now, in here, this will load my actual dashboard on Klaviyo once you have successfully signed up or logged in. So from in there, you can just head over and then navigate to the one that we need. Into this, you can just head over right here to your left sidebar, and from in there, you can see this audience option. Make sure to expand that, and from in there, you can see this list and segments. Let's head over and click on this. After that, this will load in here this. We can see our actual list of segments that we have available. We have some from Shopify, from WooCommerce, and the likes. So for this case, just head over and click on this create new. Then you can choose in here the create list option or create segments depending on the actual quantity that you would want. Now, from in there, just select the list that you want to add your contacts to. So for example, you can just select one or create a new one. For example, let's choose in here this potential purchasers. You just head over and open that list. And once that list has been opened, you can proceed to add the contacts or email subscribers that you would want right here. So in order to do that, you can just head over and click on this manage segment. And in here, you can head over and then input right here segments that you would want. You can edit the definition and you can head over right here to the servant growth and edit the segment definition. You can change in here the actual engagements. And from in there, you can add some more members that will actually be your contacts to Klaviyo. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.